Josh here at Evolve, and I'm excited to announce a new service that we're offering, and that is restoring dashes. That's right, we can restore the dash on your classic car. So if you've got a cracked dash and you're just scratching your head about what do I do about this, do I try to find a replacement dash, doesn't seem to be possible, or do I try to find one of those dash caps if it's even available for my car? I just want it to look brand new, so we've got a solution for you. I want to show you an example of what we've just done here. This dash had a real unsightly crack just going right down the middle of the dash, right there. And you can see here we've actually recovered the entire dash. So what we do is we use a special flexible material that has the same texture here as these original dashes tended to have. And I'll try to focus in on that so you can just see, there you go. You can just see the texture there. And even around the corners and bends, complicated pieces like that bezel, we're capable of doing that stuff. And you can see, get a little more light on here, you can see just the detail here. So just wanted to let you know about that service. I am so excited to be able to offer this. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and we've got a short turnaround time. We can actually turn this around in about 48 hours. We custom mix colors, so we will dye the dash to whatever color it was from the factory. So give us a call today if you'd like to discuss further. Thanks, have a great day.